Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to my channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है very huge Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. Recently Nykaa पे बहुत बड़ी सी Pink Friday sale लगी थी and बहुत ही बड़े बड़े ब्रांड 50% डिस्काउंट पे थे. So I was like, let's grab this opportunity and buy few things for myself. So if you're interested, what did I shop? Let's get into the video. The first thing which I got, guys, is the anti-dandruff shampoo, and that is basically a repurchase for me. The one which I'm talking about is this one. This is the shampoo from Wella. It is a scalp clean shampoo. I really like this one, guys. I have been using this for quite some time. I completely finished the one bottle and this is my second purchase. I really like this one. It was approximately 10 to 20% off, and ये brand पे हमेशा offer नहीं होता है. That's the reason I grabbed this one. This particular conditioner which I got free, it's a very cutesy conditioner, guys. You can definitely grab this up. I have not used this up individually like a full size bottle. ये travel size package में मुझे free मिला था. Usually Nykaa हमेशा free चीजें देता रहता है. That's why I got this with this. You can grab it up. This is a very mild shampoo, guys. If you're looking for something which is anti-dandruff and you want to get rid of your dandruff, which is a very mild way, do try this out. ये बहुत ही mild है, बिल्कुल आपको extreme hair fall या कुछ नहीं देगा. You can grab this up. Next up, guys, I got a lot of makeup, and the first one which I got is a foundation. I did try a few different foundation in the sale, guys, because इतना ज़्यादा offer बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता है without sale. The first foundation which I grabbed is under almost 50% discount is the Huda Beauty foundation. I have been trying to get this foundation for the longest period of time, but I was very skeptical because there is a lot of different reviews about it. It's a very full coverage foundation. At the same time, it does contain a little bit of fragrance, and fragrance might trigger a lot of people, and I do get triggered with the fragrance and I was not sure. But then before the lockdown, I did went to the Nykaa store and I did try the shade and everything, and it was on my skin for a long time and it did not trigger me. So I was like, let's invest in the foundation which is truly full coverage. That's the reason I tried the Huda Beauty full coverage foundation. This is how it looks like from outside. I really like this. In the shade Emirati 310G, I did went to the store to get the foundation because obviously 2500 का foundation है, मैं बिल्कुल बिना shade match किए नहीं लेने वाली थी. That's the reason I was very sure that it was my shade. The foundation looks like from inside. I'm really happy I grabbed this. I have tried this a little bit off camera and I'm really impressed with the packaging. That's how it looks like. You do get a pump. You do not get the glass bottle. It looks like a glass bottle to me first of all, but it is very convenient. It is very travel friendly. You can keep it somewhere. It will not get damaged somehow. The coverage is full coverage, like literally a full coverage. It does have, you know, that fragrance which everybody talks about, but it is not something which is irritated, at least to me. Many people get triggered by it, but it is not something which is irritating to me till now. If you have the budget for this particular foundation and if you're looking for something for your wedding or something like that, do definitely grab this one, guys. ये बहुत ही full coverage foundation है and the wedding जैसे function के लिए बहुत ही सही है. If you have the budget, you can definitely grab this under the sale. The next concealer which I got is this one. This is from the brand Forever 52. I really like this brand. Somehow it's coming into my observation recently. मुझे brand के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था, but मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट इसके यूज किए हैं बहुत ही सही निकले हैं. The foundation looks actually the concealer looks something like this. You can see the packaging is really bougie. I really like this. This is how it looks like and I am in the shade Wheat. इसमें बहुत ही कम shades मिलते हैं because it is a concealer, but I am planning to use this, guys, as a foundation because it's a full coverage foundation. This is how it come up like this. Many people raise about it, specifically Jovita. I really love her recommendations and she recommended this and that's the reason I got this one. I really like this one. इसका coverage बहुत अच्छा है. एक डाउन साइड है, इसमें शेड ओनली 5 अवेलेबल है एंड आई गॉट द डार्केस्ट शेड एंड दिस इज द कलर विच इज वीट. I believe you get your shade, then you can work with it. I'm not sure how this will work for the darker skin tone because this is a concealer. That is why maybe it is in the under only 5 shade. But I am planning to use this as a foundation. If you're looking for something which is full coverage as a concealer or a foundation, this is very good. You can definitely grab this up. I got it under 20% discount, I believe. Next up, I got a few options for a concealer as well. The one which I'm talking about is this one. This is how it looks like. This is a PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer. I'm in the shade 07. I really wanted to buy this concealer for the longest time. I don't know, मैं बहुत टाइम से इसको लेना चाहती थी. बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं ये टार्ट शेप टेप का इंडियन ड्यूप है. So I really wanted to try this. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स है guys. This is how it looks like from inside. इसका ना जो डो फूड एप्लीकेटर है, it's actually the dupe of Tarte Shape. This is how it looks like बहुत ही right amount of the डो फूड एप्लीकेटर है, बहुत ही प्रिसाइज है. इसका कलर मेरे लिए एज अ ब्राइटनिंग कंसीलर बहुत सही है. आई मीन द शेड 07 नट क्रैकर इफ यू आर वंडरिंग. आई रियली लाइक दिस. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा शेड ऑप्शंस है विच इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट एंड इट इज नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. आई बिलीव ये 799 अप्रोक्सीमेटली आ जाता है. मुझे 10% ऑफर में मिल गया था. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ सुपर फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, डेफिनेटली गो एंड ग्रैब दिस वन. नेक्स्ट अप गाइज इज आई शेडो. हुडा ब्यूटी के आई शेडो मैं बहुत टाइम से लेना चाह रही थी, बट आई डू हैव क्वाइट अ फ्यू ऑफ देम एंड द वन विच आई वाज आइंग ऑन इज दिस वन. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मर्क्यूरी पैलेट. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक from outside. I am super happy. I grabbed this under 35% discount, which is unbelievable. बहुत कम time हुडा ब्यूटी के products discounted होते हैं. The color combination of this palette is to just die for. You get a huge mirror right here, and this is how the color combination looks like from inside. It is damn pigmented palette. It's like literally the most pigmented palette you can own. I do have quite a few palette, but इसका color scheme बहुत unique है, बहुत अलग है. You can literally go lightest to darkest shade. ये बहुत अलग दिखता है. When you see it for the first, you might feel that ये आपके Indian skin tone पे नहीं जाएगा, but trust me, I have used this today and I created a very simple look with this particular palette. I'm super happy the way it turned out. मैंने literally 2 shade use किए हैं and my eye look was done. That's the beauty of this palette and I'm superbly happy I can grab it under the discount. If you're looking to grab something from Huda Beauty, this is the right time. Under the sale, you can definitely grab a Huda Beauty product. And I got this one. I'm super happy. I got 2 products from the Huda Beauty this time. The next eyeshadow palette which I got is for my all beginner friends. This is the eyeshadow palette which I'm talking about. This is how it looks like. This is a bit size eyeshadow palette from ELF. I'm in the shade Berry. I am superbly happy with the palette. Most importantly, ये palette under 400 rupees में without कोई discount आपको मिल जाएगा. And you can get a lot of different shade in this particular palette. I got this particular one because I am more towards biased towards the mauve and pink tones somehow. I am very happy and impressed with this palette. You can definitely grab this under the sale. मुझे ये approximately 25% discount में मिला था. ELF was flat 25 discount. ELF was on the flat 25% discount, which was shocking because it was never before. This is how it looks like guys from inside. आप देख सकते हो ये बहुत ही teeny tiny सा palette है. Very good for beginners and very good for office and school students if you are looking for buying any. So this is how it looks like. ये बहुत ही pigmented eyeshadow palette है. You can see इसमें right amount of shades है. You get 2 particular shimmer shade, 1 crease shade and 1 is a outer corner shade. So you get a eyeshadow look from it. You can definitely create more and more eyeshadow with the one tone, but if you are a beginner, definitely grab this up. I got this around 250 rupees, which is a very good deal. And if you are looking for an eyeshadow palette as a beginner, I would highly suggest you look for an eyeshadow palette from ELF, which is this teeny tiny bits. Next up guys, I got 2 bronzers which I was trying to get my hands on for the longest time. I am talking about this one. This is from the brand Balm. I really love this bronzer. This is a Bahama Mama bronzer. This is a very classic and cult favorite product guys. ये बहुत ही अलग टाइप का कूल टोन ब्रॉन्जर है. मुझे पर्सनली लगा था this will might wash me out because the swatches and everything which I saw, but this is not. So you get the bronzer right here and this is the bronzer looks like from inside. It's a very good bronzer for an Indian skin tone. If you are NC 35 to 40, even 42, you can definitely grab this up. ये बहुत ही अच्छा bronzer है. इसका cool tone बहुत ही अलग है. I feel like, and इसका consistency भी बहुत ही different है. I really like it. I have already used this. You can see by the look at the pan. You can definitely see I have already used this because ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. This was approximately on off around 20%, which has never happened before with me because I was eyeing one for the long time, so I know for sure. I got it around approximately 1500. You can definitely grab this up if you are looking for a good bronzer. I really like this one. Next bronzer is a cult favorite, another, I will say this is the one which I'm talking about. This is how it looks like. This is a Hoola mini bronzer. मैं full size में invest नहीं करना चाहती थी because I end up trying a lot of product for you guys and I do not want to know if it will work for me or not. You do get a mirror right here which is very teeny tiny and it is sufficient. Also you do get a brush like so, which I feel is very good for the product. ये एक तो यहाँ से फिट भी हो जाता है, you can pick it up and it's really precise. ये बहुत ही अच्छा brush है for the bronzer. You get this plastic lid right here and then you get a product. This is how it looks like. This or a balm, I will get confused, but I don't know, I'm little gravitated more. It's like a 1% gravitated more towards this somehow. बहुत ही अलग है यार ये वाला ब्रॉन्जर. ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक सा शैडो दे देता है. आई फील लाइक मैंने गलती करी, मैंने इसको फुल साइज में लेना चाहिए था बिकॉज दिस वॉज नेवर ऑन ऑफ टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई वॉज लाइक आई हैव टू पे अ फुल अमाउंट, सो लेट्स बाय इट. बट I have to see that if I can finish this up and I buy a full product or not. I will definitely share with you guys if I do. But for me, if you are an Indian skin tone, definitely go and grab this up. It's a perfect bronzer for any Indian skin tone, I will say. ये बहुत लोगों को darkest से darkest and lightest से lightest लोगों को suit कर जाता है. Next up which I got is a very affordable and very trendy eyeliner. This is the one which I'm talking about. This is how it looks like. This is a new Lakme Iconic eyeliner. This is a very good felt tip liner, I will say. बहुत ही यूनिक इसका फॉर्मूला लगा मुझे. ये बहुत ही easily dry out हो जाता है. This is how it looks like from inside. You get a very teeny tiny tube to be very honest. But liquid liner ज़्यादा लगता भी नहीं है. मतलब कोई भी लाइनर बहुत ही easily दिख जाता है. This is how it looks like. इसका फेल्ट टिप है. बहुत ही ज्यादा you can draw a very sharp wing. You can see. You can see बहुत ही जेट ब्लैक है. इससे अभी तक प्रॉपर विंग नहीं बनाया है. मैंने अपने हाथों पे ही विंग बनाया है टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बट ये बहुत ही इजीली ड्राई आउट होता है. स्मच भी नहीं होता है वेरी इजीली. विच इज अ लाइनर है अंडर द बजट गाइस. Next up, I got a very affordable mascara from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is how it looks like from outside. You can see Swiss Beauty का पैकेजिंग कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छा नहीं हो गया. आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है? बहुत ही क्लासी पैकेजिंग है. You get this silver cardboard sort of a thing. But I have tried this waterproof mascara. You will not get any sort of a volume by this particular mascara, guys. But it gives you a very good length. So if you are into mixing two mascara, definitely grab this up. This is how it looks like from inside. आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही क्लासी पैकेजिंग है. विच इज द अमाउंट इज वेरी लेस यू आर पेइंग एंड द वॉन्ड इज क्वाइट यूनिक टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. दिस हाउ द वॉन्ड लुक्स लाइक. आप देख सकते हो काफी डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक वॉन्ड है. आई रियली लाइक दिस वन टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बहुत ही हल्का पैकेजिंग है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली कैरी अराउंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट. बहुत अच्छा है इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ओनली लेंथनिंग. दैट्स व्हाई. Next up, I got a very different highlighter which I never tried before. The one which I'm talking about is this one. This is from the brand Sugar. This is a jelly highlighter by Sugar, guys. I have been really loving the liquid products on me specifically. That's the reason I got a contour in my foundation shade. This is a very unique product. Many people talks about this actually, but the packaging is very messy to be very honest. But the product is to die for. This is how the product looks like from inside. You get this liner kind of a container. I believe like ये gel liner वाला container है. बहुत ही अलग सा इसका packaging है. But the product is really good. You get this lid right here which you are supposed to open this and then here's your product. And so it looks like it's superbly like literally like a jelly consistency. बहुत ही unique सा इसका consistency है. I am gonna show you how it looks on me. It is a very bronzy highlighter to be very honest. This is how it looks like. आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही अच्छा highlighter है. बहुत ही subtle है. If you just mix it really well, this is how it looks like on my hand. You can see बहुत ही pretty लग रहा है. I'm very happy with how it turned out on me. I have not applied any highlighter today, but I definitely post a video with the one brand tutorial of Sugar super soon when I collected all the product. This is how it looks like. If you're looking for a very subtle at the same time intact highlighter, you can definitely grab this one. Next up guys is a lipstick. कोई भी haul बिना lipstick के बिल्कुल complete नहीं हो सकता. And that's the reason I got a lot of lipstick for you guys. I'm kidding, for me. This is the one which I got as a first. This is from the brand Nykaa guys. ये Nykaa का matte deluxe range है. I'm in the shade vintage. इसका packaging काफी unique and काफी bougie है. I will product looks like from inside. बहुत ही color coordinated packaging है, I'll call it. And this is the color. I am recently into a super mauvey pink colors. Like I don't know what happened to me, but I'm super happy with the color. I don't know, this might look, this is how the color looks like on my hand. I am extremely happy with the consistency of the lipstick. It's very matte, at the same time it's very moisturizing, which is really good. This is a little expensive range from the Nykaa in terms of their lipstick. I got this one under 20% off approximately. I really like the formula. The matte luxe range, if you're looking for it, definitely try this up. This is matching with my nail print, I believe. You can definitely grab this up if you're looking for a matte lipstick which is moisturizing, at the same time it will stay intact.